Lautoka town. Sugar on the air when the sun go down. Rosi in the market with a smile so wide. Just one little laugh and the world feel right. Care in her voice when she call my name. Soft little jokes make me forget pain. Every small thing that she choose to do, turn this hard life into something new. Rosi ni Tailevu, you feel like home. In this sugar city, I'm not alone. More than beauty, girl, you healing. You a quiet peace, you a holy feeling. Rosi ni Tailevu, I'm thankful true. Every road I walk leading back to you. When I lose my way, you the one thing real. You the simple truth that my heart can feel. Cook up the curry, radio on low. Dance in the kitchen, moving real slow. You fix my shirt, then you fix my mind. One little touch, all the stress unwind. Sit by the sea, just you and me, watching those ships like they carrying dreams. You talk about life and I start to see how your gentle heart keep on changing me. How you laugh at my worst days, turn my worry into praise. Every scar, every story that I bring, you just hold it like a sacred thing. Tell me how you make the heart feel light. Turn my fear into sleep at night. Girl, around you everything makes sense. You my calm, you my confidence. Rosi ni Tailevu, you feel like home. In this sugar city, I'm not alone. More than beauty, girl, you a healing. You a quiet peace, you a whole deep feeling. Rosi ni Tailevu, I'm thankful true.